TKE escalators. I wonder if it means we're gonna have evolutions in the parking garage. We're not gonna film them, but worth a look. Worth a look. Service elevator. Ooh, secret. This one's all outdoors. Oh yeah, ThyssenKrupp, or TK. Here's the main entryway and the security check. Some screens and the premium lounge. I wonder if they're going to eventually introduce pay-as-you-go, or if that's already a thing, I don't know, but interesting how there's a contactless setup. There's the restrooms. Here's the MRKT again, and the law required that I buy that. I have it on me, it's in my bag. Aventura station is quite small compared to the rest of them, but it does its job and does very, very well. Very big, very open, very modern. Train. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'm not gonna sing that song again. So while I can get to my train, it's not here just yet. So I think it is. That ain't here just yet. I'm gonna take a look at the elevator. These are ThyssenKrupp Evolution 100. I'm going out. Car PE5. Vandal resistant fixtures, ID number, serial number 79263. And door close button works. That's a shocker. Usually that doesn't work in ThyssenKrupps or TKEs. Basic transit style cab, but still very efficient. One of the smoothest elevators I've ever seen. Oh, belt cabling, you can see the belts. Oh, this is a perfect view. I don't think anyone's ever seen this of an Evolution before. Actually, wait, no, I think someone has. You can see the belts. Oh, that is nice. TK elevator. Am I trying here yet? 58 after. Nice. For Aventura. This is what the seat looks like. Automatic doors. Everything with you? Yep. Exit. And there's the mall over there. Eventually we're gonna have a bridge. Bright blue. Here comes the choo-choo train. It's got a red anything like it.